Hello, and welcome to your 6th vocabulary lesson in the series. In this lesson, we will learn 20 new vocabulary words. We will use them in sentences too. There will also be some surprise questions to help you remember the words better. So get your pencil and notebook, and let's get started. Here are your first 4 words. Advantage, ghost, fright, wise. An advantage is something that helps you. Advantage. A ghost is the spirit of a dead person. Ghost. Fright is the feeling of being scared. Fright. To be wise is to use experience and intelligence to make good choices. Wise. He was filled with when he saw his parents left him alone. He was filled with fright. That is kind of cute and not really scary. That ghost is kind of cute. Everyone knew that he was a man, and they respected him. Everyone knew he was a wise man. She was so tall that it was an unfair when she played. An unfair advantage. Here are your next 4 words. Cause, individual, follow, weather. To cause is to make something happen. Cause. An individual is one person. Individual. To follow means to go behind someone and go where they go. Follow. The weather is a condition of the air, hot, rainy, windy, etc. Weather. The little ducks all their mother home to the lake. They all followed their mother. Germs and bacteria can many diseases and sickness. They can cause disease and sickness. There are many different types of all over the world. Weather. The at the front is the leader of the race. The individual is the leader. Here are your next 4 words. Choice, pet, face, voice. A choice is the act or possibility of picking something. Choice. A pet is an animal that lives with people. Pet. If you face a problem, you deal with it. Face. A voice is the sound a person makes when they talk or sing. Voice. Some people love their like a member of their family. They love their pet. There are always so many and they make life interesting. There are always so many choices. I have always wished that I had a good for singing, but I don't. I wish I had a good voice. It is best to always your problems and try to fix them. It is best to always face your problems. Here are your next 4 words. Community, reach, escape, upset. A community is a group of people who live together. Community. To reach means to arrive at a place. Reach. To escape is to run away from something bad. Escape. To be upset is to be unhappy about something. Upset. My pet is so smart that she always from her cage. She always escapes. When she lost her favorite toy, she was so She was so upset. We had a huge event for the in the park last week. We had a huge event for the community. The team was so happy to the airport after the bumpy ride. They were happy to reach the airport. Here are your next 4 words. Dead, return, distance, survive. To be dead is to not be alive. Dead. To return is to go back to a place. Return. The distance between 2 things is how far apart they are. Distance. To survive is to stay alive. Survive. There is a long between the earth and the sun. There is a long distance. The man had the skills and knowledge to in the forest. He had the skills to survive. The man on the table was and gone. The man on the table was dead and gone. The man was so happy to home and see his family. He was so happy to return home. Choose the right answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. The ghost lives in the old house. A scary place might cause fright. The tree fell down because it was dead. I was upset when I got a bad grade on the test. After 10 hours of driving, I finally reached Michigan. He is smart and has an advantage in class. He wanted to escape from the room. He lived a long distance from the school. The man is a nice individual. The town is a small community. Choose the best answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. It rained for 2 days and caused the river to rise. As I was walking home from school today, I hardly noticed that the dog was following me. After my vacation, I returned to work. Many people like him because he is a wise man. They are afraid of the king because he has too much power. I love my dog. He is my favorite pet. I like living here because it is a nice community. I want to live in Hawaii because it has good weather. Great job today, and I will see you for our next lesson. Goodbye.